Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change the transparency of a picture in Microsoft Word document. So click on Insert, here click on Shape, select your desired shape, draw here your shape. Now right click on Shape and click on Format Shape. Click on Fill, select Picture, and click on Insert, select From a File. Select your picture, then Insert. Now here is the option Transparency. Set transparency as your requirement. That's it. So this is the way guys you can change the transparency of a picture in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.